Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of gallbladder for histology, practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of gallbladder. Number 1, mucosal folds lined by simple columnar epithelium. Number 2, fibromuscular layer outer to mucosa. Number 3, no muscularis mucosa. Number 4, perimuscular layer is present. And number 5, absence of goblet cells and crypts of Lieberkühn. These are the 5 identification points of gallbladder for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of gallbladder on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button, and if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.